Alright, what's going on everyone? So today in this video, I'm going to be going over some Supreme Spring Summer 19 looks. And as if y'all didn't know already, basically what happened is the Spring Summer 19 lookbook for Supreme, someone got into it and sort of hacked it and stole some of, the pictures of some of the pieces. So basically they're slowly leaking all of the lookbook, and I'm going to go over every single piece that has been looked thus far and basically, what we have for Spring Summer 19. I wish there was less leaks, I wish it was more surprise, but someone got it. So I mean, they did what I'd say a good amount of people would do is, leak it and get the cloud or whatever they want from it. But I just hope you all enjoy this video. Like the video if you think you will. And let's get into discussing these leaks, because there's a good bit of them. Also, I'm here with my friend Ben. Do you want me to put your Instagram on the screen?
Yeah. Yeah,
there you go. There it is. It's right over his face right now. So go follow him, because, he's my bro. And basically, the first piece we're going over is the Supreme Crash set. Now, basically, this also shot to Supreme Leak. They really have been posting a lot of these. But basically, it's a set. It's just a bunch of crashed cars, and it has a Supreme in the background. And I personally think some of them are sort of cool, but honestly, I wouldn't wear the hoodie.
I don't really like the hoodie, but I kind of like the shorts because it's not a crash, and that's a little weird.
Yeah, but the shorts I think look better than the actual hoodie. Overall, the crash set is sort of trash. It's sort of trash.
It's really trash.
Not gonna lie.
Especially if you wear both of them together.
Oh, that'd be disgusting. So yeah, the crash set's sort of just bad, and also it's gonna be more expensive. Supreme is raising the prices on hoodies $10 more, from $168 to $178. So before they're paying more on your retails. So they're taxing. Yeah, they'd be
taxing. $78 for a hoodie is a lot of money.
Yeah, and the short's gonna raise in price too. So crash set. Sort of trash, so we're gonna move on. Next up though, we got the Supreme Rayon Dice Tee. Now, I personally think this is actually one of the, it's a better button-down tee that they've made. And it's just, a basic collar one. Now actually, I think this one's pretty cool. I couldn't see myself wearing this, sorry. I mean, you know what, we gotta take a risk maybe sometimes. Maybe we could try and rock this, but I think it'd be hard. And it's also gonna be pretty expensive because Supreme also raised the price of tops again. So I think these are $118 now, and that's just not worth it at that point. Yeah. $118 for, a Supreme collared button down, I wouldn't really, would you cop? I mean, exactly, it's just too much for that. Next up though, this one I have a lot to say about these. It's Supreme backpacks, duffel bags, and waist bags. Again, shout out to Supreme Leaked, but I personally think these are
they're all fire.
Super, I don't know, I think they're personally.
I think the green ones are kind of trash, but I like the others.
Yeah.
I really like the blue.
The green ones sort of look like vomit, so heck no on those. And then
I'm thinking about getting the duffel. The red duffel.
Yeah, I could see that. That could be a big cop. But these ones, the waist bags, you also see how it's saying Supreme down them. Yeah. Supreme. So it sort of has a repeat thing going on there, which I think that's a really cool concept they added. But my only complaint is that the colorway is just, they could have done something different.
Yeah, I don't really, the blue, I feel like it could have been darker.
Yeah, they could have, I think they could have, shaded the blue down a few tones, and then the green is just, why? I mean, if that's your favorite color, fine, I understand, but I mean.
Try a camo.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, if you work with camo, it'd be fire. So yeah, I think they're sort of cool, but again, they're gonna be pretty expensive because again, Supreme is raising prices. So, they're just looking to make their bucks since the Carlisle Group bought out, I think, a good bit of them. I think they're actually a partner company, so they're 50-50. So Carlisle Group's doing their part in raising the prices, and they'd be taxed. Next up though, I have a lot to say about these ones. We have the Swarovski box logos, and basically there's 3 colorways. I'm pulling up a bit of picture, but basically there's a navy one, a gray one, and a black one if I'm correct. But really,
these are not real diamonds. They said that these are not real diamonds. People are getting confused. The retail will not be that high. It'll only be like here.
It's $178 is retail.
Yeah, well, it's not real diamonds. It's or it's
yeah, they're not real diamonds.
Sparkles.
Yeah, they're fake studs. Yeah. Sort of. Which I think it's a cool concept that Supreme's doing this, but personally, you're not going to see me wearing something that looks like glitter.
I will be going for this.
You will be going?
A lot of fire.
You really think it's a lot of fire?
It's higher. It's going to be very limited.
Yeah, no, it definitely.
This is going to be very limited, so they might do 2 boots.
Well, yeah, because it's Swarovski. That would make sense if it's super limited. So I guess, yeah. This one I can see being limited. I think my favorite colorway is the gray one.
This is for the 25th anniversary. I think they'll do 2 logos this season.
Yeah, they could. And this one is happening. So, I mean, yeah, it's sort. Honestly, I think
pretty
it's
flames.
He thinks it's flames. I think it's just sort of trash.
If you do it with a nice fit.
I mean, if you wear I don't know. I don't know what shoes you'd wear with a glitter looking box.
But it's not. It looks cool, but
sort of. Next up, though, we have the Supreme locks.
These are just garbage.
Yeah, they're dumb. It's really dumb. You know, I guess, you know, if you need a lock, then here you go. You can use this one. I don't really know what would be too much different than going out and buying a regular one for a lot cheaper, because these are going to be expensive because it says little sub. Yeah, they're going to be like $40 locks, and they're really like, you know, like $19.99 at Walmart or something. So yeah, these are sort of just weird, but you know, I think it's a cool concept, you know, just putting the basic stuff on it, that's cool. But other than that, I think it's sort of garbage. Like, why would you make this? Ben, do you need a Supreme lock? No. Do you mind if I give you a Supreme lock?
Yeah, I'll take one. You can buy me one.
Shut up. No. Next up though, we got the Supreme jersey set. I think this is low-key fire. This is low-key fire.
Especially the shorts.
No, just the shorts in general, like wearing the shorts regularly. Like, I think this is a cool, like, just pair of shorts to buy and like have.
I like the jersey.
Yeah, the jersey, I think it's super basic with just the 94 in the back and the Supreme. I think the 94 in the back looks sort of whack for some reason. It just doesn't fit. It's a different font, so it doesn't fit to me. I think if they had done it in the font that's on the front, I think this would have been a fire, definite cop for your skinny boys. And you know, just, I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Like, I like the shorts are fire, but the jersey's just sort of, what do you think?
It's okay. Yeah. I like the shorts, I probably will get those.
Yeah, shorts are, I'd say, pretty solid. Next up though, we got the fruit tee. You have a few words to say about this, so go ahead and speak them.
It's pretty trash, I think. I think it's just retarded. I hate these kind of tees that they do.
Yeah.
I really do.
Yeah, they're just sort of random.
They're retarded. Like, you look like an idiot if you wear this. I will not be going for this. No, this will sit.
Yeah, I think I agree with him. I mean, you may see me in this because you just know I come back on myself sometimes, but it means, what's the point of wearing a t-shirt with fruit on it?
Yeah, that's going under retail.
Yeah, that's gonna go under retail for sure. I definitely think it will. I mean, it's just sort of just really pointless. I mean, I know some of my other friends would probably think it's fire, but no. Next up though, we have the Supreme Red Rum jersey, fire piece, I think.
I think it's pretty good. Nice.
I think they outdid themselves a bit on this. I think it was pretty nice, but I do see a bit of a Gucci influence. You notice here, right here, they got
red or blue and navy blue and red.
Yeah, and that's obviously a clear Gucci influence because they use this pretty similar colorways. That's what I see the Gucci influence there. You know, it doesn't mean Gucci started it. They weren't like the first like brand to exist or anything like that. So, you know, like they probably got this from somewhere, to be honest. But going over, I think it's a really fire font. I think Supreme really did a nice job with this one. I couldn't see myself copying a jersey, however, so this for me is most likely a drop. It is fire, but I don't know. I mean, yeah, maybe I'm trying to expand my fashion, but more into sneakers this year. But if I feel like it, then maybe I'll try rocking a jersey like this.
Are you gonna tell them about the next drop?
Nah, next drop's coming soon though. Next up though, these ones have been seen a lot. It's really one of the first ones. It's a Supreme wolf jacket.
Okay.
I think these are sort of like,
they're a little weird.
They're a little interesting. I mean, I maybe could see myself in like the black colorway.
Yeah, they're kind of cool, but they're a little odd.
Yeah, they're a little different, Supreme. A little different. I don't get the wool concept. Someone's gonna have to fill me in on that in the comments if you would. I'd appreciate it. But other than that, like if it was just a normal thing to wear, I think it'd be super redneck. Like Alabama Pride right here is all in this jacket. Yeah. Not to mention pretty much North Carolina fits in this one too. Just go, you know, like 50 miles that way and you'll see Redneck City over there. You know, pretty much that's the South. That's what the South is. You know, it's assumed we're all rednecks pretty much. Like him, he's super redneck. I'm kidding. But yeah, you know, this tee's not tee. This jacket's just, I don't know. Okay. It's okay. You know, knowing the resellers though, they're gonna try and put this one above retail. Next up though, we have these swim shorts. These ones are fire. I see the summer vibe, even with like the font, you just sort of see it. So I think they did a really good job with this one, and I think all the colorways are fire until that like 3-day-old throw up colorway. What is that? It's like a disgusting yellow green.
I do like the black and the red ones though, and the blues.
Yeah, the blues are fire. Like all those are fire, but this one, that one is garbage. Supreme, what are you thinking? Why would you like?
What's with all these mustard colors?
Yeah, I mean Supreme's trying with the mustard, but no. I mean, I just could. Hopefully, it comes in more as like a yellow.
There was a mustard boga this year.
Yeah, I'm gonna look at. Actually, that looks sort of better in person, so I'm hoping it's the same with this because this looks garbage on photos. And the mustard box logo wasn't bad like in person. But moving on, we have the Supreme and Slipknot collaboration. You know,
I hate this collab.
He hates it, but I think it's really cool.
I think it's a little weird.
I mean, I wouldn't wear it.
I respect it, and I know that it's like a pretty like big group, but I don't like that type of music, and I would never buy any things because they're like A little emo.
I get what you're saying, but there's no problem with that sort of vibe. That's refreshing, I guess cool. But this one, I don't listen to Slipknot. I know they make some loud music, some really loud metal music. I'm pretty sure what they're and I know Supreme vibes that pretty heavy with, you know, skate edits and the skate videos. This is the type of music you would probably hear in it. So going over that, I think this is actually a really cool idea. I think they really did a good job with actually collaborating with someone that's like really big in that culture, in my opinion. So going off of that, I think it's a cool idea, but you're not gonna be seeing me in anything Slipknot because A, it's like, I hope it's not gonna catch on to be like a hot topic trend where a bunch of people buy this. Like as that are into Supreme, they just buy this because it says Slipknot, but they don't actually listen to it. If you don't listen to it and buy it and you're just trying to make a couple bucks off it, please do not do that, because it's not that kind of collaboration. It's not something that's like gonna sell super heavy. And next up though, me and Ben want to discuss this one, the S logo set with the jacket and shorts. What do you think?
Fire. I really like the shorts. I like the track jacket too.
I think the shorts and track jacket are pretty fire.
Probably stay away from the track jacket, but the shorts I really.
Yeah, the track jacket's a bit avoidable, but the shorts I think are nice. Other than the yellow mustard colorway. Yeah. Why?
I kind of do like the yellow more than the others on this, but I do the red and the black once again are the two.
Yeah, I know, but basically looking at it, you know, the mustard again is gonna look different in person because it's the same as the box of the one. So again, it's gonna look trash in photos, but it'll look better elsewhere. But looking at it, you know, I think it's pretty cool. You know, Supreme, you can see them doing some of their old stuff here with the S logo, but it just sort of, I mean, I think it's cool, but it just doesn't, the S is too big for me. Like, I'd rather them just have made it smaller and like put it on like the bottom of the shorts instead of up along the side. And same with the jacket, like up, you know, by like a frocket sort of thing here. Instead of a frocket, just putting the S there, like embroidered. I thought that would have been pretty cool.
I like that hoodie.
And finally, this one.
I think this is a cool thing. I like the red one.
You think this is cool?
Yeah.
You're literally looking like an airplane. You look like a cargo airplane wearing this.
I mean, they're a poncho. If it's raining.
No, if it's raining, you're taking a dub. Nobody cares.
Yeah.
And it's sort of cool because it is Vortex also, not to mention.
So that's dry.
So you're staying dry too. But going off of this, you know, I'm not a huge fan of it looking like a rectangle.
I feel like it'll look better in person. I feel like it looks a little boxy in the photo.
Yeah, and it's gonna run long, so like it's gonna look cool with like pants.
Yeah.
I think that looked pretty cool. So going off this, you know, it's alright.
I heard retail is gonna be like $200 or $300.
Yeah, it's probably like let's say $298 or $248.
Yeah, I'll
probably one of those prices, $248 or $298. I'm pretty confident on that.
For a poncho, that's pretty high. They're like $9.
Yeah, they don't cost a lot to make these. Well, they are Gore-Tex, so they will actually cost a bit more to make. But yeah, you know, sort of cool, but not like the most fire thing. But you know, going off of that, the lookbook just keeps leaking. Like, I mean, I'm literally gonna look to see if anything else is leaked right now, because there's definitely been more leaks, because I took these all like yesterday, so let's see.
Dog leash?
Yeah, we have another leak. So the dog leash will possibly be dropping in spring summer 19, so look out for that. I think that's a pretty cool one, but for me, I mean, no, maybe put it on my cat. That'd be fun.
I have a dog, so I want to get that. That's
yeah,
especially if it's like not that bad.
Yeah, I want to see that. That'd be fire. That'd be a fire video.
I do want to talk about something that's on that page.
Okay, he wants to talk about these. Babes does.
I saw Virgil wearing these, and I really hope they come out because they are a lot of fire.
Yeah, I think it's a future thing. But it is a one of one, so.
No, they didn't say that.
It literally says right here, these are confirmed as one of one.
Oh, they did? What?
He's copying if they release, so they could still drop.
Yeah, he might change his mind if there's a lot of.
Well, there obviously would be a ton of hype around that kind of collaboration.
Yeah, that's like two of the most hype.
Yeah. I'm gonna close it because we're done there. But yeah, that's what he thinks about those. Sort of fire, not Supreme, but you know. Another topic there. Anyway, so I just want to say, Anyway, so I just want to say thank you all for watching this. Shut up. Anyways, I just want to say thank you all for watching this video. I really do appreciate the love and support. Don't forget to follow my boy Ben down in the description. He's sitting right over there because he didn't want to be in the outro because he's lazy. So, you know, that's fine. But if you all are new, do not forget, please subscribe and drop a like in this video. I'm going to be doing tons of Supreme Spring Summer 19 videos as we continue to get closer to the season. Yeah, we're going to get more videos too coming soon. So I just want to say thank you. Huh?
Tell them where we're going.
Tell them where we're going? Possibly going down to New York for a drop. Possibly. So that would be fire.
Possibly, definitely for the TNF drop.
Okay, so we're going down to New York for the TNF drop. So TNF, whenever it's happening, we'll see y'all there. So thank y'all for watching this video. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe. I said all that stuff already, so I'm done. Peace out.